Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng Sotanghon Guisado. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Friendship, here are the ingredients. We have here shrimp. Meron tayo ditong pork, baguio beans, carrots, repolyo, broccoli, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, and meron tayo ditong spring onion, 2 pieces calamansi, and meron tayo ditong 100 grams na sotanghon, cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Going to do first ka-friendship is isusok natin yung ating sotanghon. Ayan. Isusok natin siya sa tubig ng at least 5 minutes. Okay, so ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship. Balikan natin siya later. Friendship, what we're going to do next is sa isang preheated wok, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. And then after that, isote lang natin yung garlic. And then, dagdag natin ang onion. Yung ating kamatis. And then, after that, idagdag na rin natin ang ating pork. Ayan, dagdagan natin siya ng konting salt. And then, pepper. So, ayan ka friendship, hayaan na lang muna natin ang pork dyan hanggang mag-render siya ng sarili niyang parts. So, balikan natin siya later ka friendship. So, ayan ka friendship, medyo brown na yung ating pork. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating shrimp. Ayan. Mix lang natin. At this point, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng tubig sa friendship. And again, sa pagdagdag ng tubig, the boiling, the better. Okay lang naman kung hindi boiling water yung idagdag nyo sa friendship, pero mas maganda pag boiling water yung inilagay ninyo. So, ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna nating maluto dyan ang pork at saka yung shrimp. Balikan natin sila later. Okay ka friendship, ayan, luto na po yung ating pork, saka yung ating shrimp. So what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating baguio beans. Ayan, saka yung ating carrots. So, pakuluan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship ng at least 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure na hindi mo overcook yung ating baguio beans saka yung ating carrots. Chef, medyo half-cook na yung ating carrots saka baguio beans. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating sotanghon. So, inalis ko lang yung tubig na pinagbabaran sa kanya. So, ayan, mix natin very well. At this point, ka-friendship, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating broccoli. Ayan. Nakalimutan kong i-mention kanina na kailangan pala natin ng more liquid seasoning. So, at this point, pwede na tayong magdagdag ng konting knorr liquid seasoning. So, ayan, mix very well ka-friendship. Dagdag na rin natin ka-friendship yung ating repolyo. So, ayan, haluin lang natin ulit mabuti. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating mga vegetables. So, what we are going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our Sotanghon Guisado. So, ayan ka-friendship, luto na yung ating Sotanghon Guisado, ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating Sotanghon Guisado. Okay ka-friendship, i-garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. Okay. So, ayan. And then, lalagyan natin siya ng kalamansi kasi mas masarap ito kapag pinigaan ng kalamansi bago natin siya kainin ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember that forget the day's troubles, but remember the day's blessings. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.